Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Yelena, and if you're not new, what's poppin'? Listen to me. We have some new products to test out today. Some I will be able to tell you about, some I wouldn't be able to really tell you about. But I've been hearing a lot about these Sacha Pro Powder foundations, and I need to know if this thing really saying thing or if it's just overhyped. So that's what we're gonna find out today. All right, but first let me get into the brows. I'm gonna be using this product. I'm not gonna say whose it's from just yet, but this is in the shade Auburn. I have 3 shades here to choose from, but I decided to go with the Auburn shade because it's not as dark, because I no longer do my brows as dark as I used to. I grew out to that stage now, but I'm not gonna do the soap brow method with this product today. I'm just testing it out with the Instagram fleeky brows type vibe face before I try the soap brow method with it. So far it goes on very creamy. I finished cleaning up my brows and I did one eye off camera, but I really wanted to show you guys how I did it. It's pretty simple and I think it will look gorgeous when I'm finished with this look. So I'm just showing you guys it on one eye, okay? Just for the sake, so nobody will come and tell me, can you show me how to do this? And the whole emphasis of the video was to highlight the Pro Powder foundation. But that's okay. I'm here trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Only had better like this look anyways. So next I'm gonna reach for the We Heritage palette from Tobaglo. My code is YAGLOW5 for 5% off when you order. I'm reaching for Dance Cocoa and Tobago Jig to blend into my crease. I'm dabbing in both of them and then I'm packing it in just in the crease area. I'm going higher up in the crease on the inner part of my eye here, almost as if I'm about to touch my brow bone. That is what I did on this side. Just like that. Then my small circular motion just to blend out the edges. Now that we're done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is take some concealer onto a very detailed brush here like that, and then I'm gonna pat it in, and I'm gonna start small first and then gradually bring it up, because if you start too high, listen, then you have to like give yourself extra work, and don't nobody got time for that. Make sure to look at this eye to make sure we're going in the same direction. The eyes looking like sisters, closely resembling each other. Not distant cousins, not neighbors. We want them to look like sisters. And in some instances, I'm just gonna blend it across like this, because it makes the work a little faster. So faster. And it's not supposed to look like a sharp cut crease. It's supposed to be a soft one. I'm gonna go back in with the previous shades because I kind of make a little mistake on the ending. Shh, don't tell nobody. Then the next thing, what I'm gonna put on my lid is Tambu Bamboo from the We Heritage. And we still with Tobaglo. The Sun, Sea and Sand, this is also on their website if you guys want to order. My code applies to this palette as well. I'm going to reach for Clay. I'm obsessed with this shade, but I really wanted like a little pinkish type undertone to go with it. So that's why I decided to add Tambu Bamboo with it. So I'll dab in Clay, dab in Tambu Bamboo, and then I'm going to press it onto the lid. Now I'm going to take this next detail brush and I want to set my brow bone area, and I'm going to reach into my BH Studio Pro, take a little bit of this and come up here like that. Now I'm just gonna be going back and forth with shades and stuff. To be honest, I actually went in with the same brush that I used for my brow bone highlights, and I dipped into this shade. I think it was the shade, and I think I came down underneath here, just in between the transition of the light shade and the crease shade, the lid shades and the crease shades, to kind of like make it all smoothish now, boy. That was the vibe I was trying to go for, you know. Listen, if it's one thing, it's how to remember the steps when it says you're doing all kind of magic thing, you know. I think what I end up doing too was because I find it was looking too pink, and I went over with clay, and I just applied the clay shade over the lid. I think so. I mean, it's starting to look like each other there. What do you think? Now I'm going to go back in with my first two shades, Dance Cocoa and Tobaglo Blush, to just make sure everything fuses together beautifully, nicely done. And I think that's what I do. I think so. Good thing we are applying gems over it, so if the colors and them kind of like not too closely looking alike, the gems could be a distraction. Hello. Listen, I know all the hacks, you know. I know all the hacks, at least the majority. So, maybe a little bit. But the point is, I know. Okay. I'm going to line my eyes using the Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. I honestly kind of remember the last time I lined my eyes or applied eyeliner on here. Did I do that last week? I didn't. I really didn't. Something that I've discovered recently, and I shared with my followers live on my Instagram, is that if it is you want to get your sharp inner corners and make the tail end of your wing liner really, really sharp, then use this. Your lash glue liner does give you trouble. Find use for it, and you're gonna get the sharpest wing ever. You seen that? Honey, I see you looking at me, ready to go in. I don't know the lyrics, baby. Something, blah blah. Okay, I done. Listen to me. Anybody else had any TNTech outages recently? Like, we had it and it was gone for like the entire day, and then on top of that, my internet was gone for 2 days. And when you call, all they can say is that they have this automated system that pops up telling you that it's gone in this place, that place, that place. So basically, you're not the only one. What I would like to find out is, are you going to make sure to keep record of those outages within my bill though? Because you could send a monthly bill without fail, but you're not going to deduct for the 2 days of no internet, the 3 days of no internet. We just have to be going through this so much. It is mad annoying. I just see this notification come up about planned outages, and I just remembered the issues I've been having the past couple days. Right now, as I speak to you guys, I have no internet. And it's going on 3 days now where we have no internet. We only got it yesterday. And it was in the late morning period we got it. And we had it for the rest of the day, and it's gone today. Moving on, end of rant. I would like to just line my eyes with this Ruby Kiss liquid eyeliner. It's in the shade White. I think it's coming to an end because I feel like I've had this a while now, and it's so tiny. So it must be finishing on me at this point. If it is you're one who've been having internet problems, electricity problems, comment and let me know. I need to know that I'm not the only one. I'm using this AOA lash adhesive. I got this from my friend Dawana. Shout out to her. So I just put random dots all over the place and saying, oh my god, that is a big one. And then I just rest the gems on it. So the gems that I have is the smallest size actually. It probably looking ginormous, but I don't care. It's the smallest size that I have. I purchased this in the art and craft store in Gulf City. I'm trying not to place them in a line either. Listen, it's hard. I realize how much difficult it is to not get them in a row. Trying to scatter them all over. You know, you grow up so much thinking, okay, color within the lines, follow this line, try to get it straight, da 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 da. Now when it's time for you to actually be random, it's difficult. Now it's time for me to use these Pro Powder foundation. Now to be honest, I do not have the actual product. I have samples. And I'm gonna put these samples to you, so I'm gonna see if I really need to buy the actual product. So we're testing it out. So I've learned that to use this Pro Powder foundation, you need to make sure you are well moisturized beneath. I'm not gonna take any chances. I'm going to be using my Ole Henriksen products. I'm gonna press this into the skin. I'm all moisturized. Time for me to highlight. So I'm definitely gonna reach for my concealers. Y'all know what it do. This is Bisque. This is medium Bisque. And I'm gonna highlight first before using the powder. You know what I forget to do? Prime. Guys, I forgot to prime my face. I'm gonna be using my Beauty Treats Perfecting Primer. I'm just gonna go in the areas where I did not apply concealer. Time to blend the first shade, which is medium Bisque. Time for the brighter shade. I can do is blend out the edges, just in case, so you don't be out here looking too crazy. So I have the Sacha Pro Powder Perfect Tan. This is what it looks like. Apparently, this is somewhat my skin tone. Doesn't look that way, no it doesn't. I'm taking this wedge and I'm gonna just press it into it. And I'm gonna start with my forehead. I don't want to use my good up blender on this. I think I'm supposed to set the concealer first there. But first I want to rush the brush. I go set it just now. Now my forehead doesn't have any scars or acne or anything like that. So I know it would sit perfectly there, you know? We would see how well it works on my cheekbone area, jawline and whatever. But let me stop rushing the brush and actually set the concealed areas before I start to crack in this place. I'm gonna knock off the excess. This is the Sacha Buttercup, by the way. Well, Sacha down today, boy. So I think I'm gonna go around the perimeters of my face with the tan shade. This is caramel and this is tan. And tan seems to be working. Oh my goodness, tan is probably the contour for me. Listen to me, the person who gave it to me, she probably gave me instructions, but I wasn't paying attention. I was listening, but I wasn't paying attention, so I'm real confused right now. Guys, I'm probably not even using this thing in the correct order. But I'm not saying whether it's in the correct order or not, you will know if it's making sense or not. I find this working as a contour shade. Or maybe I just feel that way because of the highlighted areas on the inside. Whatever remains, I'm gonna go over the highlighted areas just so that it doesn't seem too weird. Let me test out this shade that is supposedly, okay, this is darker though, right? Yes, this is more yellow. Oh yeah, I don't know what it is. Okay, yeah, this is supposed to be for contouring. I am doing sharpness all here. So I'm going to go over the highlighted areas because I'm the kind of person that goes over the highlighted areas. My skin tone, I'm looking, oh yeah, this looking kind of red and orange. I'm looking orange. I know orange. Pressure, Lord, pressure. I feel like you can't even see caramel so much. Okay, I think I'm starting to see it there now. I think what will help is trying to brighten up the high points of my face. I hope it works out. I don't want to be looking like a crazy person. I want the corner here to look really frosty. I think I bake enough. Time for this thing to go. It's so yellow. Let me apply some blush to my face. I'm going to be using Tobaglo Blush in GP. What I'm definitely going to do is spray the base of my sponge because my face looking dry. Super lucky, I cute enough. I gonna look good regardless. The lucky. That's a joke, okay? I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I'm definitely gonna mix in some Revlon with that. I'm going to pop on lashes to my lips off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys my opinion. Alrighty guys, the look is complete. I must say I look gorgeous. I love the eyes, absolutely. The eyes is a winner. With regards to the Pro Powder foundation, I really find that the tan shade had me looking orange. I did not like that. I think I would like to get another shade, but that is my issue. I felt like the caramel didn't do much for contouring. I actually went back over with my BH Studio Pro to just give me a little more of an actual contour shade. So I might probably need more samples. But so far I must say that it is, with regards to the coverage and stuff, it looks really good. I can still see my 1 or 2 acne scars and stuff, but other than that, if I don't go heavy with my regular foundation, it looks the same way because I'm not heavy-handed when it comes to foundation application. I would be afraid to take pictures with flash, but I still look good. Would you purchase the Pro Powder foundation? Comment down below and let me know in the comments. Yeah. I'm also going to link another video here for you guys to see. I went live a couple weeks ago. Check it out. It was really nice. I had fun. Maybe I might do it again, but I need you all to watch my last live video and let me know. Fallon Rahman, she's the only person that commented. Oh my goodness. Come on guys, comment on my last video. Let me know if it is you would enjoy me going live on YouTube. I would really like having your feedback in that regard. So click the video, and until next time, bye.